guys, my name is Khánh Hòa and I'm from Group 5. My group is comprised of 3 members, Trang, Hạnh, Hương and me. So today we would like to take this opportunity to discuss on the ways to use Google Contacts and Google Calendar to manage and also sync contacts or calendar from the different devices. Our presentation is divided into 4 main parts: the general introduction, the ways to use Google Contacts to sync phone number, the method of using Google Calendar to manage some functions, and some pros and cons of using such tool. All right, without further ado, let's dive right in.
Hello, I'm Trần, and now I'm going to walk you through the brief introduction of Google Calendar and Google Contacts. To begin with, here we have some information about Google Calendar. So basically, Google Calendar is a time management and scheduling calendar service developed by Google and had its general release in July 2009. And about Google Contacts, it's a Google's contact management tool available for any Google user. This service had its initial release in March 2015, quite long after Google Calendar. Both of them can be used on the web or as a mobile app for Android and iOS platforms. Now, let's move on to the next point. Hạnh will give you some instruction on how to sync your contacts to a Google account.
Thanks, Jan. And okay, you guys may be wondering about the way to properly sync all of your contacts to your phone through a Gmail account. So I'm here to help. To illustrate this point as clearly as possible, I decided to break it down into 2 main types of phones in the hope of making it easy for all of you. Now we have an iPhone here, and I'll make an instructional video so that you all can follow step by step. First off, you need to go into your phone and open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap Contacts and go into Account. Select Add Account and then Google. Once you're there, please enter your Google username and also password. After waiting a little bit, you'll see the sliders for various Google services. Make sure that the toggle for your Google Contact is on. And don't forget to hit the Save button. And for Android phones, the procedure is apparently just as simple. The first step is to open the Settings app. Then scroll down and go into Accounts and Sync. You'll notice the plus sign, which is to add account. Tap on it and we'll go back to the same steps to iPhone. And there you are, which is a few simple steps. Your phone numbers and even email addresses are available on all of your devices. Now, on to the next point. Juan, can you tell us a little bit about the way to manage Google Calendar?
I'm absolutely pleased to do that straight away. Now I will guide you through 5 steps of creating event on Google Calendar. Step 1, find the date and time that the event is taking place. Click the corresponding block. Step 2, type in the title, your event, and choose whether you want this to be an event with extra detail or just a text. Here we go with an event. Step 3, use the timing option to select how long it will last. Step 4, now you can add Google Meet link and email address to invite anyone you want to share with and add a detailed description. Step 5, set up notification to your email address at specific time, add a location, and choose the color tone you like. Finally, hit the Save button. The whole process comes out as quite straightforward, right? Finally, Hương and Trang are going to highlight some pros and cons of both tools.
Using Google Contacts and Calendar inevitably comes with certain pros and minuses. So what are they? Here we have some key benefits of putting the 2 apps to use. As you can see, they are quite simple and convenient to manage, and also eye-catching with an easy-on-the-eye type of design. They also enable you to retrieve the data the times you lost your phone or devices, which I believe to be of paramount importance. Last but not least, these 2 apps integrate easily with the entire Google suite, saving time for the whole process.
Sadly, I have to inform you that the downside of using these apps still exists, and that can be attributed to a variety of factors. The first downside that you need to pay attention to is that they will collect your personal information to input ads, which is considered a security problem. What's more, there's no lunar day on Google Calendar, which can turn out to be unusual for Asian users like us. Anyway, the bottom line in this video is Google Calendar and Google Contacts are services that will make your life easier, especially when you are a Google user. That concludes our talk for today. The time we have is limited, so we can only bring in some of the most basic information. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know.